The Institute Management Committee ITI Tura, today the 25th February 2022, launched the Skilled Services in Tura Government Training Institute. The program was attended by Anita Karpor, Additional Chief Engineer MEPDCL, as the chief guest, in the presence of AFG Moomin, Chairman Institute Management Committee, the Principal of ITI Tura, teachers, students, and others.
You have a varied kinds of opportunities that are coming up. This program, the launching of the services, of the skilled services today, is just another example to show you the various opportunities that are coming your way. You know, there is you have been blessed with the opportunity of apprenticeship. There are various other schemes that you can avail. Okay, once you have equipped yourself with being skillful in any field, grab this opportunity. Given your prevailing circumstances or during the pandemic, I could not. So thank you, Badoni, for giving me this chance, for compelling me to come to Tura, and I feel blessed to be to have this chance to be with you all. But right now, I want to spend a few minutes entirely only with you. This institute is built for your future. This institute is built for you, for none other else but for you all. Take advantage of whatever facilities are available in this institute. Given your best, your time, if it is the 1-year course or 2-year course, given your best, because this is a chance given to you to better yourself, to make yourself skillful, so that you will be independent in future. You will be able to stand in your own legs in future.